Hello class and welcome. Today I will be teaching you how to draw a panda. We begin by drawing a big circle in the center of the page. After that we draw two small circles for his eyes. Once you have your circle completed, you'll take a marker or a color pencil and color his eyes in. Whichever color you choose, that's up to you. Then you draw on top, you put on for his ears, something like a half a circle. And then for his nose, we draw a small triangle. And to make our panda happy, we draw a straight line down the triangle and lines off to the side. After that, we draw two more circles for his feet. And within those circles, we could shade some dots in as well for his toes. You could use whatever color you choose. And then a small circle. Within that circle, 3 dots for his toes. And a small circle. Then for his arms, we draw a straight line down, hugging the toes and up. And for the other arm, we do the same thing. Then we make a small circle in the center for his stomach. And then we close off his body by drawing a line from one side to the next. There you have it, your happy panda. I hope you have fun doing this. Thank you for visiting.